tips to help you increase your Instagram followers.
Post high-quality content that is visually appealing and engaging.
Use relevant and popular hashtags to increase the discoverability of your posts.
Interact with your followers by replying to comments and messages promptly.
Collaborate with other Instagram users or influencers in your niche for shoutouts or joint giveaways.
Run contests or promotions to encourage user engagement and attract new followers.
Utilize Instagram stories to provide behind-the-scenes content and showcase your personality.
Post consistently to maintain a regular presence in your followers' feeds.
Engage with other users' content by liking and commenting on posts in your niche.
Follow accounts related to your interests or industry, as some users may follow you back.
Use geotags to increase the visibility of your posts in specific locations.
Share user-generated content to encourage your followers to engage and share your brand.
Collaborate with complementary brands or businesses to host joint events or cross-promote each other's accounts.
Optimize your Instagram bio with a clear and concise description of what you do or offer.
Include a call to action in your captions to encourage users to like, comment, or share your post.
Analyze your Instagram insights to understand your audience demographics and tailor your content accordingly.
Utilize Instagram's Explore page by engaging with posts and accounts relevant to your niche.
Share behind-the-scenes glimpses into your creative process or daily life to create a more personal connection with your audience.
Use Instagram Live to host Q&A sessions, tutorials, or interviews to engage with your followers in real time.
Cross-promote your Instagram account on other social media platforms and encourage your followers there to follow you on Instagram.
Collaborate with micro-influencers who have a smaller but highly engaged audience to reach new potential followers.
Join Instagram engagement groups or pods to boost engagement on your posts.
Use compelling captions that spark conversation and encourage users to engage with your content.
Repurpose and share your Instagram content on other platforms such as your blog or YouTube channel to attract new followers.
Create visually appealing and cohesive Instagram stories by using templates and consistent branding.
Utilize Instagram's IGTV feature to share longer-form video content and engage with your audience on a deeper level.
Participate in popular Instagram challenges or trends to increase your visibility and reach a wider audience.
Optimize your Instagram profile by using relevant keywords in your username and bio.
Run targeted Instagram ads to reach users who may be interested in your content or products.
Engage with your followers' content by liking and commenting on their posts, fostering a sense of community.
Be authentic, genuine, and consistent in your interactions with your followers to build trust and loyalty.
Remember, growing your Instagram following takes time and effort.
Focus on creating valuable content and engaging with your audience, and you'll see steady growth over time.